Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today we are doing the June 2021 Kinder Beauty box subscription unboxing because they initially sent me the May box. So I had to email them and ask them to resend the actual June box to me. So that took a while, but it's finally here. So let's go ahead and take a look at what is in here. And yeah. Sorry, I'm looking a little casual, but you know what? I didn't feel like really getting dressed today. So it is what it is. So as always, they put in the card to tell you they don't send cards anymore and send you a link instead to go to. I'm not going to go to this link because I know for a fact that now it is showing July box information, so I'm not going to bother. So we won't have descriptions of the products in here, unfortunately. But I did get the silver lining box. They're now doing 2 boxes. I have the option to choose which box I want. I don't know if that is an option they afford everyone, but that is something that they have let me do. I don't know why. Maybe you have to get so many boxes before you unlock that feature. I'm not sure, but that's something I've recently been able to do. I can't remember which box I picked for June, so I don't even know if this is the one that I requested or not, because it's been so long since I actually picked. But I think it was like a difference of 1, maybe 2 products. So let's go ahead and just get looking. The first and the largest item in here is from Pacifica. It is their mineral sunscreen, coconut probiotic technology, broad spectrum UVA, UVB, continuous spray, water resistant, 80 minutes, SPF 30. There's a lot of writing on this little can. I have had a Pacifica spray sunscreen before and I did not like it. It was very oily. I don't know if this is the same exact one, but it's a sunscreen and I'm gonna use it because it's free, even though I didn't like that one and I would not repurchase it myself. If I ended up with it again, I'm gonna use it because it's like one of those things I'm not picky about. If it's gonna protect me from the sun, I'm gonna use it. So after I finish the Botanica one, I think that's the one I have open right now, I will break into this. So sunscreen, it's also like face wash and body scrubs and those types of things. I will always use them, so I'm happy to get them in a box. Next item, I believe this brand is called Cadalis, and this is the Thirst Quenching Eye Mask. So it says organic, vegan. Here's the packaging. It's quite cute. Focus. There we go. Sorry, my nails need to be painted. It's on my to-do list. Let's see. It's like a little nozzle. So that's nice for precise amounts of product to be dispersed. And this is a nice opaque packaging, which you would want with an eye product. But let's look at the ingredients. Let's see. So far, so good. I mean, I'm not seeing anything terrible in this. I'm gonna have to go over it in more detail because obviously I don't want to sit here and read every word on this on camera, but so far this looks like it's actually going to be a good product with nothing damaging in it. So we're 2 for 2 on this box. They came late. This is the Pure Soul Body Buff Konjac. We're just gonna go with it. Body Sponge, Bamboo Charcoal, Deep Cleansing and Pore Purifying. So here's what that looks like in the box, and this is for the body, yeah. So this is probably a body exfoliating type of product, and it is hard. I imagine you have to get it wet to actually get it soft for the body, although if it's exfoliating, yeah, cleansing and pore purifying. So maybe it's not supposed to be super aggressive. I don't know. I'll stick this in the shower and use it and see how it goes. So not something I'd pick out myself, but something new to me that I'm interested in trying for sure. And I definitely dropped a card from that box on the floor, but we'll get that later. Next we have from Ancient Clay Soap, or no, it is Ancient Clay Soap with Rosemary, Lavender, Healing from the Earth, Moisturizing Earthy Soap. Oh, Zion Health is the brand. So this seems like packaging you can recycle, which I like. Smells amazing. Rosemary, Lavender, that's my jam. So soap is one of those things everybody uses, so I'm definitely going to use it, and I like that. So 4 for $4, not bad, especially since this came late. I'm glad everything's like cool so far. So this is the Alekia Beauty Illuminating Natural, Vegan, and Eco-Friendly. What is it? Oh, it's an illuminator. So it's a highlighter. Okay. Here's the packaging, which is pretty. And the product itself. This little tube kind of gives me Body Shop vibes. The lid is definitely plastic, kind of cheap. But let's take a look at the highlighter itself. Ooh, comes out very liquidy. Very thin liquid. Not super viscous. Which, I mean, I don't have any personal preference on the consistency, so. But that is beautiful. It's just a beautiful, like, sheen. Kind of silvery leaning, maybe? But it looks like there might be color in there. It's a little nondescript, but I actually really like that. This would be the kind of highlighter that's mixed into a foundation to give you a beautiful glow, or mixed in with your lotion to make your legs look like Simone from Drag Race, like amazing. Yes, that is fabulous. So 5 for 5. I'm excited for all of these products and probably going to use all of them. Quite pleased with the June box. So love to know your thoughts. Is this the box you got for June, or did you get a different set of products? I want to say it was 2 different products. I want to say it was like a different illuminator and soap maybe, but I might be making that up. Either way, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video, and if you did, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. If you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit the subscribe button, and otherwise I'll talk to y'all later. Bye!